guys, so I want to welcome back all my returning supporters back to another video here on my channel. And if this is your first time watching a video from me, then hello, my name is Shea Elise. Thank you for clicking on this video. I do have my children home, of course, so you may hear some noise again. My number one favorite fave. I actually have like 3 of them that are like right here in front of me. They're like my favorite, highly recommend leave-in conditioners, and that will be this one right here. For those of you who don't know the texture, as you can tell, I'm already almost out of this one. I rack up on this a lot, so this is the texture of that one. It's really smooth and creamy, but it's really nice. It's a really smooth and creamy texture that can go with almost any single gel that you use for wash and go purposes, and it's good for any type of style with natural hair. So if you necessarily don't wear wash and goes, this is still a really great leave-in conditioner. Really great. So either way, so I highly recommend this leave-in conditioner. The next one that I highly recommend is this one right here. I have been using this for over a year now, actually. And it lasts a long time. I use it in all of our hair at home. So it's 4 of us who have natural hair, and I use this on all of our hair. We all have 4 different hair types, and I use this in all of our hair. So this is the African Pied leave-in conditioner. And so the texture of this one, as you can tell, is kind of also a thin, smooth, creamy texture. It's really nice. I'm gonna put a little on my hand as well. So as you can tell, it's really smooth and creamy. It's really nice. Again, this is another leave-in that you can use no matter what type of hair type you have, you know, in the natural hair community. If you're, like I said, you do braid out, twist outs only, you're still gonna love this one. If you do wash and goes, you're gonna love this leave-in with your gels. It's a must try. These 2 are a must if you're a natural, okay? I'm hooking you up. Look, I'm hooking you up. I'm hooking you up. I'll hook this up. Another really great leave-in conditioner. Now, she's not in stores yet, I don't think, but she's also a Black-owned business. And some of you may remember her from back in the day. She went by, I will like have her channel or her, she I think rebranded her channel and herself. But this is her product right here, Beela Balm. This leave-in is really amazing. And it's really strange that it says Curl Smoothie leave-in conditioner. It's really strange, but I love this. Yeah, so I really definitely recommend this if you're open to trying new things from other people. I highly recommend this one. This is actually my 2nd bottle that I went back out and purchased from her. It is amazing, okay? And she actually has a twisting butter, I think, or twisting cream or butter, and it is really good too. Very good. I think it gives you a lot of shrinkage though, but man, the definition of her twisting product is amazing. But I definitely like, this is my 2nd bottle, and look how much I've used up. I don't know if you can tell, but it stops right here. I have this much left to use. Amazing, highly recommend. Very moisturizing, a lot of slip, detangles, you name it. Very amazing. Some of you may know of her, but like I said, I'll leave her information down in the description box as well. So those are my top 3 hands down favorite leave-in conditioners. The next ones I am going to mention, they are my favorites as well right now. So the next leave-in that I've been using for almost I want to say like a decade. This one I've been using for years, especially on my children's hair, but this is really moisturizing. So if you're doing like braid outs, twist outs, this is it for you. This is really great. Now, I would say this don't go with every type of gel, obviously. Some stuff, I actually have 2 of them. I have this one, which is the leave-in conditioning cream. And then this one is the leave-in conditioning repair cream. So both of these are really great, very moisturizing. Cantu products are really known for being very moisturizing. Love it. If you have children, Cantu products are like go-to products for kids, and they actually have like a children's line with Cantu as well. So this is going to be my last one that I mentioned. I actually do love this. I just didn't like it with the curl serum from this collection, but this is really amazing. So it's pretty liquidy, very like runny and liquidy. So you know you're gonna have that slip, that moisture, like you know your hair is gonna come out great when you just have that instant moisturizing slip when you're styling your hair. This is one of those leave-ins and I love it. I did do a braid out with it, and I can't wait to do a wash and go with this leave-in, so stay tuned because I will share my results doing a wash and go and a braid out, but my braid out video is going to come first before the wash and go with this leave-in. Okay, so now we're going to move into the creams. So the first one I am going to mention, and I do not have on hand, I'm actually out of it because I love it that much. And it is also from the brand Cantu. It is the Cantu Coconut Curling Cream. That one I love, been using for years, okay, on me and my children's hair. It provides long-lasting moisture. If you're a girl who don't even do wash and goes like that, you know, you're twist out, braid out kind of girl, or updos, or whatever your type of protective styling you do. If you're that type of natural, you're gonna love that coconut cream, okay? Okay, from African Pride, it is their curling cream. This one I highly recommend, whether you wear your team wash and goes or team braid out, twist outs, and protective styling. You're gonna love this cream. Even if you don't use this on your own hair and you have children, you need to buy it, okay? You need to get this. If you're looking for a cream, a good cream, this is your friend right here. Look no further, and it's only $4.99. 12 ounces, $4.99. You can't beat that. I received this in a previous curl box, and y'all, this is amazing. If you see this product in Walmart, Target, wherever this is at, I know for a fact I've seen some products in Walmart from this line, but if you see this one, this olive oil mango butter moisturizer, and you are this is more for my girls who do braid outs, twist outs, and protective styles, you're gonna love this, especially if you're lacking volume, or you want more volume without doing so much work or fluffing out your hair, or without just effortless instant volume. This is gonna be a staple in my hair product stash. This is how much I have used up. Look at all that. That is a lot of product I've used up, and I am team wash and go, so that's why this is not completely empty yet. But I am team wash and goes. That's why I have not used this up completely. I don't do braid outs that much. I highly recommend this for braid outs, particularly even twist outs. You need to have this on hand in your stash. You're gonna thank me later, okay? Just letting y'all know, you're gonna thank me later, okay? Next product that I'm gonna mention, so this right here is really great for braid outs. This is actually pretty much empty, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, look, I got like a tad bit in there, and I'm like, who hair am I gonna use this in? Because it won't even be enough to do a whole hair routine. So it's like just a little in here. But this is what that product is. So it's the Maui Moisture Vanilla Bean Hair Butter. And so I actually received this in a previous curl box as well. Love the moisture from this. I mean, girl, look, it's gone. Me and my children use this junk up. Love it. And I actually purchased this right here. Hold on, y'all. So I actually picked up this recently from Ulta during their sale. This is the Curl Quencher Coconut Oil Curl Smoothie. So let me know if any of you guys have actually tried this. This have not been used at all. It's like heavy, have not been used. But that's what that texture looks like, and it smells really good. I mean, all the products I've smell really good. But I have not used this yet. Since I knew I was finished with this one right here, I said I was gonna pick this up and try this curl smoothie for some braid outs and stuff for me and my children hair. If you guys have used that particular curl smoothie from Maui Moisture, let us all know down below how you liked it. You know, if it's any good, or what you like to use with it, or how you like to use it. Yeah. Next product I have is this right here, which was also from a previous curl box. And so this is what that texture looked like. Jiggly and different. So this one is really great for like twist outs, braid outs, or any type of updo style, any type of protective style that you want to do. I feel like this is really great for that. I just know I wouldn't reach for this for a wash and go. I'm a gel type of girl when it comes to wash and go. So me reaching for a gel curl definer for a wash and go, that's just unrealistic for me. And I need my curls to be tamed, and not know just any old cream is gonna tame my curls for a whole week. So if you do see this and you do a lot of braid outs, twist outs on you or your children's hair, definitely recommend this. I like it. It smells amazing as well. Very moisturizing. I mean, it says it. Super moisturizing. Very moisturizing, especially paired with an oil. In my case, I pair oils with my braid outs and twist outs, and that moisture just seals in that moisture and it lasts longer. So this is great for that. Last product that I want to mention is also from Maui Moisture, and it is their combing cream. I received this in my curl box, my previous curl box, right along with this one. It came together. It truly defines. It says it defines. Smells really nice. This definitely encourages curl. I would say this is amazing for detangling and doing like a braid out, twist out type of style. This is really nice. It has aloe vera, coconut milk, and mango butter in this, and it's silicone free. I think this is amazing, especially on children's hair. And if I ever do a braid out, just straight wash my hair and do a braid out, I could use this to detangle and then just add my lax cream and do that. But this is great. So those are all the honorable mentions as far as leave-in conditioners and creams that are in my stash that I love. If there's any other creams or leave-in conditioners that you have that are your favorites, please let us know a couple of them down below, down in the comment section, so we can all help each other out in the community, in the natural hair community. Don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up before you go. You all have a wonderful day or night. Thank you so very much for watching my video. Bye.